Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing good. So, right now the time is 6 am and the plan is to meet at St. Jacinto Island, which is a common meeting point for us, at 7 am. So, let's get ahead and start the day. So, it's 6:58 in the morning and the trip is set to 0 and we are ready to leave. So right now, the gang is together and we are finally on the move. It was a very cold morning that day. I'll show you all the bikes which are there today when we stop for breakfast. I know, the flag on the bike is definitely blocking the view and it's a bit irritating at times. But just deal with it in this one video. From next video onwards, I'll come up with something to either hide the flag or remove it completely. Back to the video. So right now we are at Doda Marg and this is the hotel which we had breakfast at. The breakfast was very tasty. It's almost 9 and we are ready to leave. We have 3 classics, 350, 1 Bergman and my bike. Soon after breakfast, we took a stop near Tillari Dam and took a few drone shots. And then we were back on the road again. Talking about the road, right now we are going to Belgaum through Chorla Ghat. The road is a mixture of good and bad roads and they are pretty narrow. Also, the Ghat section is very technical, as you can see right now. On the GoPro it looks simple, but trust me, it wasn't as easy as it looks. But the climb was worth the effort because of this view. So right now we are at the Tillari Ghat viewpoint and the time is 11:40. And after that short break, we were on our way to Karnataka. From the Karnataka border, Belgaum was just 12 kilometers. Which we covered pretty quickly and we were in Belgaum City by 1 pm. And I took my friends to my favorite place in Belgaum to have biryani. After a heavy lunch, we were on the Fort Road in Belgaum City to check out some bike parts, and without the intentions to buy them, but ended up buying a new battery for Luna. a new front tire, both of which were not available in Goa, and comparatively got them for a quite cheaper rate. Soon after that, it was time to head back home. But before that, we took a small break at this hotel for some tea and coffee. And then we were chasing the sunset. For our road back home to Goa, we decided to come back by Chorla Ghat, which was surprisingly good for the most part. But in a very bad state in the last part of the ghat as we reached Goa. So that concludes my one-day small trip to Belgaum and back. And the trip concludes with 269.6 kilometers only, and the time is 9:57 p.m. If you all watched it till the end, smash that like button, and if you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing. And here are the top comments of my previous video. Feel free to comment this time to be featured in my next video. And thank you for making me a part of your day, and see you in my next video.